Hello and welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining this professional development session on building high performing teams for quality improvement in healthcare. My name is Joel Okray, and today we will explore how effective teamwork drives better patient outcomes, fosters a culture of accountability, and promotes long term organizational excellence. The purpose of this presentation is to help you understand why teams are central to continuous quality improvement efforts, what defines a high performing team, and how cross functional collaboration can overcome barriers and elevate care standards across the organization. First, we're going to look at why we focus on teams in quality improvement. In healthcare, quality improvement is a collective effort. No single provider, department, or discipline can ensure safe, high quality care alone. Teams are valuable because they bring together diverse expertise, reduce errors through shared accountability, and generate innovative solutions through collaborative thinking. Whether addressing medications safely, reducing hospital acquired infections, or improving discharge planning, teams served as engines for system level improvement. When teams function well, communication is stronger, data is more accurately interpreted, and solutions are implemented faster and more effectively. Second, we're going to look at the characteristics of high performing teams. A high performing healthcare team shares a few characteristics. These characteristics are clear goals aligned with quality metrics, open communication, trust and mutual respect, defined roles and accountability, and a shared commitment to continuous learning. These themes also demonstrate adaptive leadership, where members lead based on their expertise, not just their title. Studies consistently show that teamwork improves patient safety, enhances staff morale, and support better clinical outcomes. When everyone understands their role and is invested in a common goal, it creates a ripple effect that improves workflows, reduces burnout, and ultimately straightens the care experience for our patients. Team processes and individual roles. This section, we will know how a team functions, their processes, and greatly impacts outcomes. Now, the positive impacts occur when leaders delegate effectively and empower others. Individual responsibilities are well understood. Decision making is inclusive but decisive. Ongoing training and mentorship are provided. The negative impacts arise when leadership is overly centralized or inconsistent, responsibilities are unclear, team members are disengaged or underutilized. Training is key here. Teams that invest in education, skills building, and feedback mechanisms can identify gaps and self correct, becoming more agile and effective over time. Next, cross functionality and conflict management. Cross functionality means bringing together people from different disciplines, clinical, administrative, and support staff to work together towards a unified goal. This diversity enhances innovation, exposes blind spots, and encourages holistic thinking. However, interdisciplinary teams can face conflict due to differences in communication styles, priorities, or decision making approaches. For example, a nurse and a billing manager may approach planning from entirely different perspective. The solution is structured communication tools like SBAR and team steps, as well as ground rules, clear objectives, and regular team check-ins. Conflict should be viewed as an opportunity to refine ideas, grow trust when managed constructively. Conflict, change, and team dynamics. This section, we will learn that conflict and change are expected in any team, especially in fast paced healthcare settings. Change can involve new technology, policy shifts, or turnover, all of which impact team dynamics. Teams that succeed through change are those that embrace a psychological safety, are flexible and open to feedback, view conflict as a natural part of improvement. A unified goal helps realign focus when tensions arise. Leaders must acknowledge the emotional toll of change while reinforcing the team's mission to serve patients safely and effectively. Resources and support for team growth. High performing teams don't succeed by accident. They rely on organizational support and a culture that promotes excellence. Resources that enhance team effectiveness include leadership training and clinical mentorship, data dashboards to track progress and inform decisions, peer recognition and incentives to reinforce desired behaviors, a culture of appreciation where achievements are highly celebrated. Communication platforms, debriefing sessions, and access to improvement tools also ensure that feedback loops remain active and staff feel empowered to raise concerns or propose ideas. In closing, teams are at the heart of continuous quality improvement. When individuals from different roles unite under shared goals with trust, communication, and accountability, the impact on patient care is transformative. Let's continue investing in each other, refining our processes, and working together to ensure every patient receives, receives safe, timely, and compassionate care. Thank you for your dedication and for being part of a team that strives for excellence every day.